screen background in CapCut PC. Right. So you can screen background, just click on the clip and go to cutout. So I cut out. You can select Chroma Key, select customize, or you can select auto cutout. But I think for the green screen, you have to choose the Chroma Key and select the color picker, and then you can select the green color and then change just for the strength and the shadow. You'll get it perfect, like so. Right, that's it. You can add the background to your image. Just move up and select your background to the main track, like so. That's how you can remove the green screen background in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.